Hello, how are you and welcome. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the questions of one of our members. And she wants to create a QR code that people can actually scan and then give them a tag so that way you know who exactly is that student and what classes they are taking. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to use our software, which is Studio Profi Pro, and I'm going to show you how I will do it if I have to do this for my classes. So pretty much she has students coming in through the door. They want the people to scan that QR code and automatically give them a tag. So this tag is gonna, that way they will know that this person went through that specific class. So let me explain how this works. Okay, so this is the question. So this is Maritza. This is what we do here at Studio Profi Pro. We have a community. You ask us questions, and I'm here to help you and answer those questions either with videos or any other members can join. Just start sharing their knowledge. Okay, so now this is what I explained before. This is her question, and now I'm going to explain how I will do it. Okay, so first I'm gonna go to my regular dummy account just so you can see what I will do here. The do is I'm going to sites, and inside of sites I will go to forms. Inside of forms I will create one form. Okay, I'm gonna start from scratch, from 0, and I'm gonna select the first one right here. This actually give me this, and this one I'm gonna put I dance social dance list, right? So this is pretty much my information right here. Most likely the people already paid, most likely. Otherwise you can just keep this part right here, the consent, and you can just swap right here on the right side. You can just change this for your phone number, and you can just remove what you don't need. For example, I don't need this part right here. You can just delete it, and then we are going to leave it like that. So once you change the terms and policies right here that they're on the bottom, you're good to go. So we're gonna ask for the first name, last name, phone number, and email. It's up to you. You want to leave. This is the basic form. It already comes like that, so you can just leave it like this. Now once you have that, what we wanted to happen after, we're gonna click on this right here on this little lines, right? It's more like the menu here. So we're gonna click it, then click on options, and what happened when people submit this, they're gonna receive this message. You want to change it, you can just do it. Thank you for taking the time to complete this form. And I'm gonna leave it like that for now, but you can just verbiage just according to what you want to do in this case. And then we are going to just, for now, just leave it like that. You can modify, you can just make it look a little bit different. I'm gonna leave the default for now. In this spot, I'm probably gonna change it right now, and I'm going to change it right here. Just click on the button, and right here appears this. I'm gonna put just submit right here. I can just change the size right here, so it's not too small, right there, and click save. Okay, so now we have our form. Remember, we already named this form. Now what I need to do is go to my automations. I want to create an automation that whenever people fill this form, it will trigger something, and it's gonna give them this specific tag. So we are going to come back right here, and we are going to automations, and I will create a new one. If you want to keep it on one of your folders, it's fine. If no, you can just create the workflow. I'm gonna start from scratch so you can see how I do it from 0, and this is enabled by default. It's okay. I'm gonna put this 01. This is form I dance social dance, I believe it is. Let me just check really quick. It's I dance social class right there. Okay, and I click save. So now I'm gonna do the trigger. The trigger is gonna be adding the form. So when people submit this form, okay, which is the then social class, I will create a filter because I need to pick what form is the one that I want to do, and it's right there, my form dance social dance list. So I select it right there and I click save. What do I want to execute once people fill this form? I will put right here, I want to add a tag, and this tag will be, so I put dance social class. Because I don't have it, I have to click this little blue thing, so it will add the tag. Click right there, and just I like to put the title so I keep everything organized. Then social class, and then click save. So what happened is when people trigger these or fill this form, they will be added to this tag, right? So I will click right there and I click save. Okay. And now what she's also asking is, I want to create a list that every time that people take that, whoever takes that class and scan the QR code and fill this form, they will be added to the list. So let's do that. So now we are going to go back right here, and I'm going to my contacts, okay, and I want to create a new list. The list live right here on the top. As you can see, I have 4 right here. I'm going to create one more. So this is what I'm going to do. Click right there. Then I'm going to put first the tag. And when the tag is dance social class, which is right there, when the person has this tag, I want to create a list. Right now I don't have nobody because we don't have nobody here. I will click right here on the bottom where it says save as smart list. Click right there, and I'm gonna put list dance social class. Perfect. So I'm gonna click save. So every person that has that tag, it will be added here. Okay. So now I have my list. I'm gonna do some tests right in a second, but then also she wants the QR code, right? She wants the QR code to be functional so people can scan it and they can see the form. So let's do something. We are going to go back to my sites, and I want to pick the form, the link of this form, which is right here. Dance, let me see. Dance, form dance right there. So this is my form. I open it again, and I can click right here where it says integrate. Click right there, and I will copy the link, copy form link. So now I have it on my clipboard. I can, let me just duplicate another page just to, so we can have it here. And we are going to click back. And now I'm going to marketing. I'm sorry, and on sites, my bad. And now right here, now we have the QR codes, all these inside of our program, Studio Profit Pro. So you can do all these things inside here. You don't have to go nowhere, right? So click right here, click a new QR code. I will put form dance social class. It's a website. So on the next page, I can go right here and I can paste the link that I pick from the form. I will click next. Okay, and now you can change the background, you can change the color, you can change, I don't know, let's say that I want a red, or I want a black, and I want the dots, the marker maybe a little bit red, more like that. And also I can put my logo if I want to. So I can just pick my logo, click in this little image right there. I can select my logo. Let's just pretend that this is my logo. It's right there in the middle. And then you can remove the background if you want to let it to download the printer, or you want to put it in on top of a website or something like that. And for now, you can just play to make it look the way that you want it. And then I will click right now, click save right now, okay? So notice right now I finished my QR code. So if I scan this QR code, which I'm gonna do right now with my phone, I'm gonna scan it, and now it's going to take me directly. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now. So it takes me directly to the form, that we were mentioned. So I'm gonna fill this form really quick. Joel, what's my name? I got it. So I have my information there. So once I have it, I just click submit, and then it's gonna say, okay, thank you so much for filling the form, which like we put it on the message. And if I go back to, perfect. So now if I go back to my contacts right here, and I look for my name, right, 929355, right here, and if you can see now inside of the tags, right here it says dance social class. That's already giving me that tag automatically. And if I go to my list, the one that I was doing, list dance socials, if I click there, I will be there automatically because I'm already scanned that QR code, fill the form, give me the tag, and put me on the list. So this is how you do it. I hope that you find this video fun, right? It's there are so many possibilities. You can do so many things using these tools here at the Studio Profi Pro. And if you have more questions, please let me know so we can continue creating and just ask us questions. There are so many things, whatever you can put in your head, you can just use it and you can create the hit out of Studio Profi Pro, okay? Thanks so much. See you on the next video. Leave your comments below. Let us know what you think. And if you want something like that for your studio, just let us know. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.